The correct height for a toilet flange relative to the finished floor is critical for a reliable seal and long-lasting installation. The flange should sit at least flush with the finished floor and ideally be 1/4 inch above the finished floor to compress the wax ring properly and prevent leaks. Measure from the finished floor surface to the top of the flange, using a straight edge and a ruler after the flooring and any underlayment are fully installed so you do not misjudge height. If the existing flange is too low, remove the toilet and either raise the flange with a flange extension kit or replace the flange and pipe adapter so the top lands at the proper height. Flange extension kits are thin rings that lock to the old flange and provide a uniform surface for sealing. Do not rely on stacking multiple wax rings as a long-term fix because wax deforms and can allow movement and leaks over time, especially with wobble or heavier use. When installing, use a new wax ring size to the toilet outlet, center the bowl over the flange firmly, and tighten bolts evenly to avoid cracking the porcelain and to ensure uniform compression of the wax. After installation, check for movement by rocking the bowl gently and run a leak test by flushing and inspecting the base and the closet bend junction for any signs of moisture. Common mistakes include leaving the flange well below the finished floor, which makes the wax ring unable to form a good seal. The fix is to remove the flange and either install a taller replacement or use a proper extension kit and then reinstall with a correctly sized wax ring. Another frequent error is over-tightening the closet bolts or tightening one side first, which can crack the porcelain or deform the flange. Tighten alternately and to firm but not excessive torque and use washers if needed for even pressure. A third problem is using 2 wax rings as a workaround for a low flange. That is unreliable because wax compresses unevenly and can shift. Instead, use a flange riser or raise the flange height mechanically, and always use one appropriate new wax ring or a foam gasket designed for larger gaps. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information that helps you evaluate installation approaches and materials. We also host a discussion community where we share real-world experiences, ask questions, and help contractors find work through leads and project visibility.